I'm Biff Rock, valiant leader of these men, but temporarily not in charge. A minor setback.
Right. Look, we want...
Shh! The code to the lighthouse to get through the maelstrom. I know. Keep it down. If these cutthroats think you're here for something I have, they're gonna want their share. So, Tavares didn't make it. Poor guy. We shared a cell, you know. He left the code with me because he knew I was a tough nut to crack.
Enough noise. You're coming with us.
Not likely. They're not gonna let you walk out of here with me, and I don't think your Green Lantern rings work with all this yellow ore around, so you can't blast your way out.
But you have a suggestion.
All you have to do is challenge Bumpy to a fight. Bumpy's the usurper in charge. Don't worry. Should be easy for a big, tough guy like you. You look like a fighter, judging by that face full of scar tissue. Or were you born that way?
Hey, save it for Bumpy.
Got a challenger here! This big flatfoot wants to fight Bumpy. The wager? He wins, I go free. He loses, you get to take my new friends here prisoner.
Wait. Nobody's agreed to that.
Don't worry, Jordan. This'll be over real quick.
Your big man can really take a hit.
Oh, he'll win.
No, not a chance. Bumpy can't be beat, not like that. His armor's made of nth metal, he's invincible, and he cheats.
Dirty, flying, poo.
Nicely done, nicely done. Now, how about double or nothing? My man here, this skinny Green Lantern, wants to fight Bumpy, avenge his friend's honor and all that. If by some miracle he wins, not only do I go free, but I get to be your glorious leader once again.
And what do we get when I win?
If Skinny here loses, we forfeit our lives. All of them.
Are you kidding?
Your lives were forfeit the moment you walked in. The only way out is if I'm in charge. What about it, Thanagarians?
One second. Look, underconfidence has never been a problem for me, but my ring doesn't work here. And old Bumpy just wiped the floor and ceiling with Kilowog, who taught me most of what I know about fighting hand-to-hand.
I got you covered. Bumpy can't see out of his right eye. Use that to get on his back and hit him really hard between the wings. That's his weak spot. It'll put him down.
If you knew his weak spot, why didn't you finish him off before this?
Oh, that's how I ended up here. He saw me coming. My wings are just too big and beautiful for even a half-blind lughead to miss. You're scrawny, he won't see you.
This had better work.
Trust me.
Wow, strange being on the other side of that saying for a change.